Toys were everywhere. Blocks, cars, crayons, even socks. Mama said, "Time to clean up," Samir groaned. "Not again." Aayan hid behind a pillow. "I don't want to clean." Papa Daddy walked in and smiled. "I have an idea." He pulled out his guitar and sang, clean up, let's all play." Samir clapped to the beat. Aayan popped up and danced. They picked up toys, 1, 2, 3, singing as they cleaned. Even baby Minaal waved her hands, giggling at the silly song. Toys in boxes, crayons in cups. The room was tidy again. Mama said, "Wow, that was fast." Samir grinned. Songs make it fun. Moral: we all play, so we all tidy. Papa Daddy strummed one last happy note. Thanks for learning with us today. If you had fun and learned something new, don't forget to tap that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure.